Greetings and Assalamu alaikum. I'm Muhammad Sofi bin Sharu Azizi from University Technical Malaysia Malacca. I'm presenting on behalf of my team, which is TS Dr. Muhammad Fauzi bin Mahmad, Puan Siti Rahma binti Shamsuri, Faik Nabil Ashraf bin Firdaus Ilham, and Habibur Rahman bin Nur Hassan for this international research and innovative technology competition, and our title is The Iron Statue. To kickstart this presentation, I would like to introduce our project, which focuses on creating an iron statue integrated with a trash receptacle, combines functionality with artistic design to enhance surroundings, yet provide a creative solution for public spaces, especially on campus. Our objectives and aims for this project is to create a design that seamlessly integrates functionality and aesthetic to ensure usability while contributing to the aesthetic value of its surroundings, encourage environmentally responsible behavior by providing an accessible and visually engaging solution to waste management, thus demonstrating technical expertise in material selection and the fabrication process to ensure safety and reliability. The problems that we choose to face for this project is littering and waste management. Many public spaces lack attractive and accessible trash cans, which leads to littering and environmental pollution. Secondly, is lack of aesthetic appeal in utility objects. Functional objects like trash cans are rarely integrated with art, which misses opportunities to enhance public spaces visually. Lastly, it's community engagement and awareness. Traditional waste bins fail to engage the public, reducing motivation to use them effectively. We will now move on to the usefulness and application of our project. To start off, our project promotes environmental awareness through encouraging responsible waste practices. Next, we have enhances public spaces, which combines functionality with aesthetics to appeal and improve urban environments. When we incorporate artistic and creative design in our day to day lives, we can further enhance the look and feel of our shared places. Moving forward is fosters community engagement by drawing attention and interaction through artistic design. When the design is visually appealing, it will attract people's attentions, and from there, we can start having interactions within the community to further spread our message to keep the environment safe. Finally, inspires sustainability. Through this project, we can demonstrate how practical objects can drive a culture of sustainability as shown in the pictures that uses recycled materials to further develop their public spaces in which would then inspire others in the community to do the same. Now, on to a market survey that we have performed. We first asked respondents on how visually appealing our design is on a scale of 1 to 5 and have received a majority of people saying that our project is visually appealing. We then asked our respondents on how would they describe the project's design with a lot of respondents saying that design is creative and amusing. We later then asked on whether or not the project can help to improve waste management in their communities and have received answers saying that it will help to make a change to provide cleaner streets and less litter. Respondents were then asked on whether or not our project would engage others to recycle or inherently manage their trash, which to a majority of responded yes. We later then did a public Q&A within our university going around and asking people's opinion about our project and have received interesting thoughts such as having a very eye-catching design that makes it instantly noticeable, having a convenient and ergonomic height, and having a very fun design. And later on, we did a side by side comparison of our project compared to a conventional trash bin, in which later shows that people are more attracted to use our project. These are the components used in the making of our projects, which were drawn using computer aided design. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see from the images below, our project has 10 components, which some are made from mild steel, whereas the ring bin component is made from galvanized sheet metal plate. The development phase of the project starts off with a brainstorm of ideas in which we'll later create our first sketch. After finalizing our design, we then began cutting the materials we needed using a wide array of methods. Moving further down the line, we then started welding the components together using a MIG welder. And after all of that is done, it was time for the final step and begin painting. When it comes to novelties of our project, we can first confirm that our project has a mixture between art and utility because the iron statue doubles as a trash receptacle, thus combining function with creativity and aligning itself with SDG 9. Community identity. Our project can be customized to reflect local culture, themes, or institutional branding, which aligns itself with SDG 11 by having a customizable design to reflect local culture, institutional branding, or thematic elements strengthening community pride. Next, we have social media friendly. From the eye-catching form doubles as a photo spot, encouraging online sharing and awareness about sustainability, thus making it align with SDG 12. And the final novelty that we have is the interactive public engagement. The design attracts curiosity and encourages interaction, unlike conventional waste bins. The interactive element of our design transforms waste disposal from a routine act into a shared social responsibility, which is exactly what SDG 11 encourages for sustainable urban living. For potential commercialization, we can expect government officials, possibly public parks and gardens, and maybe university and college to be interested in our project because that will benefit having their public spaces clean while attracting attention with our project. For the status of innovation, according to the technology readiness level, our project, the Iron Statue, is currently at TRL 725, representing the prototype development stage with initial testing in a relevant environment. These are the journals that have been publicated. As shown in the images below, it is about the effects of ER70's filler metal on mechanical properties and corrosion behavior of low carbon steels produced by gas metal arc welding. This is the copyright for our project that have been approved by the Intellectual Property Corporations of Malaysia according to the Copyright Act of 1987. In conclusion, our project combines a trash receptacle with an iron statue, offering both utility and artistic value in a single structure, encouraging responsible waste disposal through a visual appeal and public interaction, contributing to a cleaner environment, and built with durable materials and a suitable variation public settings, making it a practical and long-lasting improvement to traditional bins. That is all from us. Thank you very much, and I bid you farewell.